Catch weight, complete catch weight management ERP.
Report in catch weight. So from manufacturing module, click on operation, select the manufacturing orders. You'll get a new window. You have to select any of the orders. Now here we can see the print button. Click on it. Now select the production orders. We'll get a downloaded PDF report. Here we can see the product quantity and as well as the catch weight quantity. This is it how it works in catch weight.
Get more details and demo. Connect us. Powered by Technaureus.